Hello everyone, welcome to the CHH Makers. We are here with the notification details of CUET PG 2024. As you know, the dates are already out, so we have to be very aware about the dates and also the exam form related queries. So first come with the dates of the examination. The registration has already begun on 26th of December and it will be live till 24th of January 2024 up to 11:50 p.m. You can make the payment of registration form till 25th of January till 11:50 p.m. The correction window will open on 27th of January and will be live till 29th of January, where you can change or you can edit your registration form if you have made any mistake there. एक बात ध्यान रखना, you don't have to make any mistake while filling the form, but अगर कुछ हो जाती है तो आप यहाँ पर उसे अपडेट कर सकते हो. The advanced city intimation will be live on 4th of March 2024, where they will notify you about the city where you have to take your examination. तो आप उसके according अपना travel plan कर सकते हो. Then on 7th of March, they will release the admit card which can be downloaded from the NTA official website. The exams will be from 11th March to 28th of March and the exams will be in 3 shifts. This time, the duration of exam will be of 105 minutes, that is 1 hour and 45 minutes. The dates will be announced later on the website and that will be available in your admit cards. Now, the people who are looking to go for MBA or who want to pursue MBA, okay, first let us have a look at the payment structure of registration form. First, you can see for general category you have to pay rupees 1200 rupees for 2 papers. You can additionally opt for papers by paying amount of rupees 600. Please note, you can opt for at max 4 paper only. So you have to be very careful for which paper you wanna appear in the examination. Other categories के लिए आपके पास पेमेंट इस प्रकार से है 1000 for general and EWS category, no, general OBC and EWS category. SC ST के लिए 900 and for PWD it is 800. Additional charges are as follow: 500 for other sections other than general categories. If you look at for the MBA, if you want to pursue for MBA, so please make a note of it कि जिनको MBA के लिए इस एग्जाम को अपीयर करना है उनके लिए जो इम्पोर्टेंट कोड है वो है COQP12. इस कोड को आप लोग ध्यान रखें. आप जब भी फॉर्म फिल करेंगे आपको इस कोड को ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा और इसी का फॉर्म फिल करना पड़ेगा. ओके, अब एक बार इसका सिलेबस देख लेते हैं दैट व्हाट विल बी देयर इन द COQP12 पेपर कोड. द सिलेबस or this paper will consist of 4 sections. The first section is English, that is the English comprehension. यहाँ पर कौन कौन से एरिया से क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं? You can see English grammar, error, parajumble, sentence completion, paragraph completion, one word substitution, synonyms, antonyms, idiom, phrases, इन सारे एरिया से क्वेश्चंस इस वाले पार्ट में मिलेंगे आपको. The second section will be mathematics or as we say quantitative aptitude. Now, quantitative aptitude is a huge part, but in this examination they have very selected topics, that is partnership, SICI, percentage, profit loss, pipe and cistern, speed time distance, work and wages, time and work, and also the problems based on trains. So these are the only areas that you have to cover in mathematics or quantitative aptitude. Moving on to the third section, logical reasoning. In this section, the questions are from almost all the areas available, that is ranking trees, arrangements, sequencings, critical reasoning means statement argument, cause and effect, statement assumption, statement conclusion, then number series, blood relation, direction test, analogy test, non-verbal reasoning. Every area is covered in logical reasoning. Fourth and the last section is DI, which is pie charts, line charts, bar graph. Every chart which is available there can be asked in the examination. This is the whole सिलेबस ऑफ दिस कोड COQ P12। तो जिन लोगों को भी MBA के लिए अपियर करने इस एग्जामिनेशन को, यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन COQ P12। The city drills are available on the information bulletin. You can download it, you can read it very carefully, and then only go for the examination or for the registration form. For any other details or any other supports, you can contact us. Thank you so much.